In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your day with Asana. Let's start by opening your project in Asana, the place where all of your tasks live. This is your daily command center. Make sure you're in a view that shows your task list clearly so you can see everything you need to get done. Next, add a new task. Click the Add Task button to create an item for something you want to complete today. Give the task a clear, action-oriented name so you know exactly what needs to happen. For example, instead of a vague label, choose something like Draft Weekly Report or Call Vendor About Shipment. Short, precise names help you scan your list quickly and avoid decision fatigue later. Now, look for the small arrow next to the Add Task button. Click it to reveal more options and choose Section. Create a section name to group your work. Sections act like headers that organize your list into meaningful buckets. Common choices are Today, This Week, or Waiting On. But use whatever labels make sense for your workflow. A few thoughtful sections can make a long list feel instantly manageable. With sections in place, drag and drop your tasks to arrange them under the right headings. You can also reorder tasks within a section to set a top-to-bottom priority. Place the most important or time-sensitive items at the top, and keep quick wins nearby for momentum. The beauty of drag and drop is that it's fast. Adjust your plan as your day changes without breaking your flow. When you're ready to work on something, open its details by clicking the small arrow on the side of the task. This expands a panel where you can add helpful context, like a brief description of what done looks like, any reference notes or attachments you'll need. If timing matters, you can note a due date or a time block in the description so you know when you plan to tackle it. The more clarity you add here, the smoother your execution will be. As you progress through your day and finish a task, it's time to wrap it up. Select the task and click Mark Complete. This clears it from your active list and gives you a visual signal that you're moving forward. If you marked something complete by mistake, don't worry. You can quickly undo it. That's the core loop. Open your project, add clear tasks, create sections, organize by dragging and dropping, open details for clarity, and mark things complete as you finish. Use this simple rhythm each morning, and you'll keep your day focused, flexible, and under control.